LinkedIn profile optimization. So first of all, you should know why LinkedIn is important. Then only you can work for LinkedIn profile, right? Basically, if you want to start your startup, if you want to get any job, or if you want to get any internship, it will help you. How you can optimize that LinkedIn profile? That's the main question. So basically, there are different sections. Here we are covering around 10 important sections for LinkedIn profile. First one, profile picture. So what you can do, you can mention your recent picture, and your face should take around 60% of the frame. You can wear what you like to wear at work, and keep a little smile, as well as it should have good lighting, and it should be high resolution image. You can see some of the example here like Liz Foslin, Dharmesh Shah, Neha Puri. Second, background image. So what you have to do, you have to support the background image through what you believe, who you are, what do you do. So you have to support that visually. Here you can see some of the example like Samaditya Das. She is product designer at YouTube, and Sikhir Vyas, his content writer. So here you can see like they are visually supporting whatever they are doing. Make your headline more than just a job title. So basically, what you have to do, you have to mention key skills, you have to mention about job, you have to mention your key strength. It will work like a CTA, call to action button. And if someone is reading your headline, and if it's really interesting, then only they will click or view your profile, right? Then turn your summary into your story. Basically, in your resume, you will mention the key points only, but some of the time that recruiter will visit your profile also. In the about section, what you can do, you can mention about your past achievements, you can mention about the present thing, whatever you are doing, and you can also mention like in the future what you want to do. So you can use this as a story. You can mention whatever you want to mention. You can start with your patient, you can explain your present role, frame your past, highlight your successes, and show life outside of your work. And you can add CTA also at the end, like feel free to connect with me at this email ID, or feel free to message me. Here also you can see some example like Vaibhav Sisinti. He has written very good about section. Same goes with Sriya Pattar also. Now grow your network. Basically, if you are having only 5 or 10 connections, then it will not help you that much, right? So for that, what you have to do, you have to connect with different persons. You can start with connecting with your alumni, friends, then leaders of your field. Like if you are interested in product management, you can connect with product managers, and you can connect with HRs also. And whenever you are sending any request, you should personalize that connection request. You can add some message in which you can mention why you want to connect with that person. And what you can do, you can engage with others' content. You can like, share, comment. You can help others, and you can share relevant content. Experience and education. Basically, in the experience section, what you can do, you can mention the company name wherever you have worked, whether it's an internship or job or your PR. You can mention that company page. You can mention your role, starting date and ending date, and if possible, that location also. Here also you can see one example like experience, Samaditya Das experience. So YouTube product designer, product manager. Same goes for Google co-founder and UX lead for promo day, area 120 UX designer, Google Maps. You have to describe your work through bullet points in short. So here you can see some example like project manager at Zone Startups. Here manage Empower India's first tech accelerator, executed the final demo day, coordinated 50 mentoring sessions. So here she is mentioning the key points, key work experience. Then quantify as much as possible. So you can mention some of the numbers so that it will be helpful for you as well as for the reader, what impact you have created. Mention the key results of your work. So you can mention whatever result you got through your work. Skills and recommendation section. In the skills section here, you can see like product management, public relations, branding. So you can also mention the key skills needed for your role. So if you are interested in product management, you can mention product management. and you can mention design related skills, you can mention tech related skills, whatever you want. At least you should add 3 important skills in the top, and later on you can mention some other skills also. And if possible, you should ask for the recommendation. So if you have worked previously with any company, so you can ask to the your other manager, or you can ask to the co-founder if it's a startup, for that recommendation. And if you have worked good, then they can recommend you. Showcase your passion for learning. In the license and certification section, what you can do, you can mention your courses, you can mention about the bootcamp. Share relevant content. Basically, if you are sharing content, then on the regular basis, different people can connect with you. They can interact with your content, and they will get to know like your thought process, what exactly you are sharing, in which field you are interested. So you can start with your industry. If you are interested in product management, you can share content related to product management. And for that, you should also think like what is your target audience. If you are interested in product management, you can share content related to product management. If you are interested in any other field, you can share content related to that. But what you should do, you should make a combination like growth centric and product centric content. So growth centric is important. Why? Because then only like you will get higher engagement. Let's say you are sharing motivational code or motivational videos. So it's for everyone. It's not specific to any particular person. Then product or service centric, or you are domain centric. So if you are interested in product management, you are sharing product management related content. If your startup is related to education, you are sharing some of the content related to education, right? So if you are working for any startup, you can share some of the content related to that also. What you can do, you can make a monthly plan, monthly calendar, and you can figure out 6 to 7 type of content, and you can start sharing. Or you can use some of the tools like Buffer or Hootsuite or Canva also, you can use for scheduling the tools. You should be consistent with your content, and you should reply properly on the comment section. If someone is commenting on your post, you should reply. Here also you can see some of the persons who are sharing content on consistent basis. Customize your profile URL. You can see like some of the person will have some random number here at the end of linkedin.com/in/your name and some random number. So what you can do, you can customize this URL. Here I have given the steps. You can follow these steps, and then you can customize that URL. If that name is available, then it will give you that username or that name. And if it's not available, then you can like try to change some of the alphabet or numbers, and then you will get that URL.